Hi everyone, welcome to Nefish TV. Here's how to make a rich and filling mushroom soup. Add juice of half a lemon and 2 tablespoons of vinegar into boiling water. Add washed and drained 500 grams of mushrooms and cook. Melt 2 tablespoons of butter in a skillet. Add cooked and cut mushrooms and saute. In a separate pan, melt 2 tablespoons of butter. Add in 3 tablespoons of flour and brown. Pour 500 ml of fresh milk over the flour and whisk until boils. Mix in 600 ml of hot water. Add the sauteed mushrooms into the pan and boil for about 3 minutes. Add salt and pepper. Then boil for 5 more minutes. Mushroom soup is ready to serve. Hope you enjoy! If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Please comment below for further questions. Thanks for watching!